In today's video, I will teach you how to put your face on a gold coin using GIMP. Let's get started. First, open GIMP and create a new document. Then add a new layer and name it coin. Then add new guidelines at 800 vertical and 600 horizontal. Use the lip select tool with a fixed size of 1000 by 1000 pixel. Then move the selection to the center and go to select, then choose from path. Change the foreground color to this color and fill the selection. Then duplicate the coin layer and rename it to inner border. Then go to select, then shrink by 23 pixels. Then press the delete key to remove the center. Remove the active selection by going to select, then none. Then go to layer, then layer effects, then select bevel and emboss. And configure the settings to add depth. Now add a new layer above all other layers and name it Grooves. Change the foreground color to black, then select the brush grooves and set the size to 1120 pixels. Then click the center to paint the grooves. Now make the coin layer visible and add a new layer and name it Inner Ring. Then change the foreground color to this color and select the brush ring hardness 100 with a size of 700 pixels. Then click the center to paint the ring. Then go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and apply a value of 1.50. Now add a new layer and name it Design. Use the brush Stars and click the center. Then make the inner ring layer visible to see the stars. Then add a new layer and name it Legend. Use the Paths tool to create a path from your text. Then select the Move tool, then go to the Paths dialog, then right-click the unnamed path layer. Then go to Tools, then select Text Along Path. Select your font and adjust as needed. Now duplicate the unnamed path and make the copy visible. Use the Flip tool to flip the path vertically and move it straight down until it snaps into position. Now right-click the unnamed copy path and go to Tools, then select Text Along Path. Then adjust the font size if needed. Now, merge visible paths and make all paths visible by going to Select, then from Path. Then fill the path with the foreground color by going to Edit, then Fill Path. Then deselect the path by going to Select, then None, and apply the Gaussian blur with a value of 5 pixels. Then make the coin layer visible again, and make the background layer invisible, and create a new layer from Visible. To do this, right-click, then select New from Visible. Then apply the bump map by going to Filters, Map, then Bump Map. Then set the auxiliary input to Inner Ring. Now, apply the bump map again with the auxiliary input set to Stars Design. Then open the image that you want to use for the face as a new layer, then adjust the size as needed. Then make this layer invisible and select the visible layer. Then apply the bump map again with the auxiliary input set to the face image layer. Then duplicate the visible layer and set the mode to hard light. Then adjust the colors by going to Colors, then Hue and Saturation. By following these steps, you can create a realistic gold coin effect using GIMP. Experiment with different settings and brushes to achieve the desired effect. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.